Hi Professor, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Muhammad Farouk and we will be presenting on our project for our website. So our group is P23. So this is our website, we are Sports Academy. So this is our main landing page, which is interactive yet simple. So firstly we have this book now button here where if the user wants to book, it will lead them to a login page. They have to log in order to book so that they can view their courses. Next, moving on, there's a interactive responsive carousel of images of our sports programs that we offer. If you go to scroll down below some more, you will see all the different programs that we have to offer, the upcoming events, and a join now button which links to a sign up page for the user. So that's pretty much for the home page. The About Us page describes more about our academy, that we are Sports Academy, the premier destination for sports training and workshop. It also shows the mission and why users should choose us as their platform. We also have an interactive embedded Google map where the user can see where is our training facility. They also get in touch with us and find us through our social media platform like Instagram and Facebook, where if they click, it will pop up into the social media platform. Then for the contact us page, it will pop up, uses a JavaScript mode to pop up. You can either chat with us through WhatsApp, call us or email us. So clicking on each button will link to the next page. So for WhatsApp, you go to WhatsApp, email, they choose which email they want to go to, call will lead to their call, even when it's on their phone. And for FAQ page, the frequently asked question, there's two ways of entering this page. Firstly is by the navigation bar, and next is from this page here, this button. So here are a few questions that are frequently asked. So users, if they are in doubt, they can view this page. When they click on the question, they'll be able to see the answers. Uses the JavaScript add event listener on click, so they can view all the different answers to the question to clear their doubts. And then clicking here will go back to home. Then lastly, under register button, there's this terms and conditions where it's created so the user can view the terms and the conditions for account registration so that they know the do's and don'ts. This page is open in a new tab so that if the user were to already key in all the details here, for example, it will still be stored here. So that is pretty much for my part. Thank you.
Hello Prof, and my name is Moses and I'll be demoing the user creation. So here we have the student registration, so the members of the public can register as a student for our Sports Academy. Here we have validation by jQuery validate, and here I'm trying to register as a student. So in a case where they did not enter the correct values, then the message will pop up, error message, so they don't have to really submit the form in order to know what's wrong with their input. Here we have a CAPTCHA by Google. It's integrated into the form for secondary verification, and it's validated in the PHP site. Okay, so once you register, you automatically log in. Another feature is I have account as an admin and I forgot my password. So here I will have a form to enter my email. So I'll enter my email and number. And this email function is by PHP mailer using an SMTP server provided by Google. So once I request for a reset password, the message will show that if the email exists in our system, a password reset link will be sent to this email. Otherwise, if they try to put an email that doesn't exist in the database, it will just show the same message. Yeah. So here you can see we receive the email. We can create reset our password. It will lead us to a reset password form. It actually has a token stored in the database that has an expiry duration. here I will have the same validation and the captcha. I'm trying to log in as an admin. Here we are logging as an admin. You can see the navigation for admin. So like system logs, this is actually for monitoring the backend if there are any errors or messages that we can report to the development team to fix. Audit logs are like good for audit trail. So we have a user management where you can see a list of users. You can sort, you can search, and we also can add users. So I'm gonna add a new user. Here's the same validation. So after we create, we also can edit. Here we are trying to create a coach because coach can only be created by an admin. And that's it for my part.
Hello, I am Clyde, and now I'll go through the course management portion of the website. First, I am going to be logging into a already pre-registered coach account in Coach 1. Fill in the captcha. Login. So we already have pre-made 2 courses for the for the Coach 1 to have. So the first thing we're going to show off is the search function, where if we search for, if let's say there are more than 2 or maybe 10 courses, if we search for a course, it will filter up everything according to the title of the course. Same for basketball. If I were to search for basketball, it will filter out to just show basketball. Next, I am going to showcase deleting of the course. So the course that I'm going to delete is basketball. There's a confirmation message to confirm to delete, and then the course is deleted successfully. Now, to show that each coach will have a different set and unique courses linked to them, I am going to log into the new coach that Moses has created. The new coach that he has made is Coach 2. So now we are at the next coach. So as you can see, there are no courses linked to it, as this is a newly created account. Now I'm going to show off creating of a new course. So let's say I want to create a new course, maybe pickleball. Enter the description, just give an example. Pickleball lesson. Give a random venue, let's say Bedok. Course fee maybe 100. And the enrollment start time, I will put it as... Okay, so for the enrollment start and enrollment date, we also have a validation where we are not allowed to put dates, times and date before the current time. As you can see, it will be stopped. Enrollment start date cannot be set in the past. And as for the enrollment date, end date, if we put it behind,
you'll give this error. It must be after the enrollment start. Same with the course start time and course end date. So there is a validation checker. So for demonstration purposes, I will be putting the enrollment start date at 2 minutes from now, and the enrollment end date maybe 1 week from now for demonstration purposes. Same thing for the course start and course end date. Then we'll put the enrollment limit maybe just 10 and create course. As you see, the course is created successfully with all the information that we have just keyed in. Next, to show off the edit feature, I am going to edit this course. Maybe change it. I do not like pickleball, so I'll just change it to tennis. I'll change every field to show that the edit feature works for each field. Then for time start, maybe I'll set it to 2 minutes later. Enrollment end date, I'll change it to just 2 days later. And let's say the enrollment limit will be changed to 12. Okay. As you can see, all the information here has been changed accordingly.
Hello Prof, I'm Zuri and I'll be demoing the profile part of this website. So first I'm going to log in as a student. So as you can see under the view profile, this is a read-only page where the user is able to view their first name, last name, email as well as contact. So first I'll be demoing the edit profile part of the page. So as you can see, their first name, last name, email and contact are based on the previous information that they have provided, as well as the current password, so that it validates that they are the user and they are able to change their profile. So one key difference between this and the super admin is that they are unable to change their role. So next, I'll be demoing some form validation that we have done. So for example, if we enter invalid email, there will be a prompt saying that we need to enter a valid email address. And let's say it bypasses the client-side validation. Yeah, there will be a prompt from the server saying that there's invalid email format, and I'll be demoing a bit of the form sanitization that we did. So I'll be changing it to I'll be putting these tags in as their last name change to show that we have sanitized their input. So as we can see, the last name is being sanitized in so that it won't, the codes that's inputted in the forms will not run. Next, I'll demo the change password as well. So the user has to enter their current password, which will be hashed and checked against the database to confirm that that is their current password. And they'll be able to enter their new password and confirm it. So let's say the current password is wrong, there will be a prompt indicating that it's incorrect. And that shows that the password is updated successfully. And I'll be changing back the last name first. Yeah, as we can see, the last name is also updated successfully, and I've come to the end of my part. Thank you.
Hi Prof, my name is Chikwan and I'll be showcasing the course catalog page. As being logged in as a student 2, you are able to go into the course catalog where all the courses are being displayed, the available courses, and users are able to navigate through different courses and viewing their details by clicking on the view details button, which will bring them to a model pop-up. In this model pop-up, users are able to get additional details such as the course highlights as well as the start date of the courses. In the model pop-up, students are able to enroll to these courses by pressing on the enroll button. So for now, I'll try to enroll into tennis by clicking on the enroll now button. And after clicking on the enroll button, the student will be enrolled into the course successfully as shown as the result message. And in this course catalog page, students are able to sort the courses by their name in alphabetical and the reverse, as well as the prices from low to high or high to low, as well as the start date, which will arrange them in the earliest date first. So now I'll be logging out from student 1 and logging in into student 2. After logging into student 1, I'll now proceed to enrolling to both the soccer skills and tennis. And additionally, a student who doesn't want to view the extra details are able to join the courses directly by clicking on the join training button. And similar, they will be enrolled into the course successfully as shown. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Galvin, and I'm going to be showcasing how a user would view their enrolled courses. So as we can see, there is a calendar here. We can go back in time or forward and click today to jump back to today. We can click on the specific courses, soccer skills. We'll display the details on the right. Tennis, and if they overlap and you will see all of them at once, you just click on the day and you get a list view. You can also export to an ICS file, which we will export to the desktop. And we can then import it to Outlook. As you can see, it popped up right here. And now I will let Clyde continue with the course management.
Hello, and the last part that I want to show off about the course management is to show the enrollments done by students in the enrollment page. So first I'm just going to log into the first coach 1 at local.com. So here we'll see the course management. As you can see, under soccer skills just now, as Jikon has enrolled, there's one person that is enrolled into the course. This is reflected under enrolled students, where the student's name, contact number, email, and enrollment date is shown. Now to further show it off, we also have students enrolled into courses made by Coach 2. So I'm just going to log into Coach 2. Now we're going to see the course management, 2 people as enrolled as shown just now. And if we were to scroll down, we'll then see the 2 people that has been enrolled in them, student 1 and student 2. Therefore showing that the enrollment works uniquely for each coach and each lesson that they have listed in the website. That's all for our Sports Academy website. Thank you.